come to the Beehive Brawl. It has the most competition and
you got to
than any
expect
tournament
a
in the state of Utah.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah, the Beehive Brawl is one of the class act tournaments around, and the competition goes from beginners all the way up to elite, and it gets very tough for the little kids, you know. So competition is great. I mean, we see better competition here than at some high school events.
This is a very well-run tournament. There's great competition. Some of the best competition in the Western United States shows up here. There's kids traveling from Arizona, Colorado, Wyoming, Idaho, and this is a tournament that we as Beehive Wrestling Club look forward to bringing our kids to every year and competing in to gauge where we're at and how much better we can become. So we love the tournament.
Wrestling's hands down, there's no career in wrestling other than education. You know, you battle and it changes you for life for sure.
Where are you guys from?
Pahrump.
Where?
Pahrump, Nevada.
From Nevada.
Oh.
I thought that my championship round was going to be easier than it was, but it was harder.
How about you?
Good. I had a lot of challenging kids from Utah.
Were there things you learned though?
Yeah.
What'd you learn? What are some things you learned?
Defenses of creeps. What to watch out from Utah.
Yeah, when he started coming up, you need to let it out. Use your hips, push forward.
It's great. It's great for the kids, and it takes some kids that think they're tough guys and want to be disrespectful in class and run their mouths to the teachers and the other kids that are disciplined kids that don't get involved with that. Put them on a mat, it'll humble them up, and some of them will really thrive from it and push through and get an education, and others will turn away and because wrestling's not for everybody. It'll bring the man out of a young man for sure.